How to fix TikTok tapping too fast. To get started, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this home page where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. On this page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. After that, you need to tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then you need to select the option Settings and Privacy from the menu. Once you are on this page, scroll down to the option Report a Problem. Now tap on the option Interaction. Then tap on Likes. From here, tap on the option Tapping Too Fast. If you are still confused about the solution, just tap on No and select Need More Help. Now state your issue right here. Attach a photo or video along with it. Then tap on Submit. So following these steps, you can easily fix TikTok tapping too fast.